What would you choose? I give you $100,000 right now, or I give you 1 cent, which doubles in value every day for 30 days. Do you take the $100,000 or do you take the 1 cent that doubles in value every day for 30 days? But there's a catch. You have to answer right now. Time's up. That was a tough time frame, mate. Well, in all seriousness, I don't have $5,368,709.12 to just give away, which is the result you get when you double 1 cent for just 30 days. Just a tad difference to our $100,000. By the end of this video, we'll explain the 3 key ingredients to what is referred to as compounding interest in property investment, which is how you could turn this 1 cent into over $5 million in under a month. But there's one place we have to go to make this all work. An advanced maths class? Nope. We need to go to the snow. Yippee! Snow! Perfect. If you've been to the snow, there's a high chance you've picked up a snowball and thrown it at your mate.
Round 1, fight!
Unless it's too cold and it's more ice than snow. Those can knock your mate right out. Sorry.
Round 2, fight! Fatality.
Yes, but there's actually a better use for a snowball, in a financial sense at least. This actually brings us to key ingredient number 1 on how to turn 1 cent into over $5 million in under a month through compounding interest. Key ingredient number 1, an initial investment. In today's example, the initial investment is just the 1 cent you started off with. Now picture this snowball is that initial investment. It is the 1 cent. We put the snowball on the ground and we roll it over the period of the day. And now snow sticks to the snowball, creating a bigger snowball. Technically melts together. A little bit of science for you there. So what's the importance of this effect? The word compound in the dictionary, as far as earning is defined, is to form something by combining separate things. So what is the separate thing, mate? Good question. You see, your initial snowball is your initial investment. It's the 1 cent. And the snow that accumulated outside of your initial investment brings us to key ingredient 2 of compounding interest, which is interest earned. Original snowball is your initial investment. Snow sticking to it, interest earned. Now where it really starts to get interesting is, mate, what are you doing? Rolling things, mate. Let's just stick to the snow analogy, okay? Worth a shot. Your 1 cent after just 1 day has combined with interest earned, another 1 cent, to give you now 2 cents. And now a bigger snowball. Correct. And now we have a larger surface area to acquire more snow the next day. The same works with money. You now have more money, which will acquire more interest earned the next day, which brings us to key ingredient number 3, time. In this case, a 100% return on investment every day would turn 1 cent into 2 cents into, well, here's the numbers. And if you can find a deal like that with those returns, well, compound interest takes initial investment, interest earned, and time. The longer you can hold, the more the property will rise in value over time. But in saying that, there's one more thing you need to know. Growth, unlike all the cash flow analyzers you see, is not in a straight line. Growth is not linear. Life is not linear. There'll be peaks, plateaus, and maybe some 1 step back, take 2 steps forward. You have to go through the peaks and valleys though to reach the mountain top. And when you're at the top, no, that's not where the journey ends. Pick up another snowball, throw it at your mate, and look for a higher mountain. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, or you like hitting your mates with snowballs, you're going to love what we've now got available for you. Head on over to www.pcfd.net/free training. There's a link in the description. Conquer 50% of the property investment game in under 40 minutes in one free training session. Oh, and you're not going to be alone.